In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the DB Navigator app on Android. This app is essential for travelers in Germany, providing real-time information on trains and other public transport options. Now let's get started with the first step. Begin by opening the Google Play Store. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It's typically represented by a colorful triangle. Once you tap on the icon, the store will load, displaying various apps and games. This step is crucial because the Play Store is the official source for downloading apps on your Android device. If you are asked to log in, make sure to enter your Google account credentials. This will ensure you can access all the features of the store. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type DB Navigator. The search bar is prominently located, making it easy to find. As you start typing, you might see suggestions appear below. This feature can help you quickly find the app. When you've entered the name, press the search icon or the Enter key on your keyboard. This action is important because it directs the Play Store to find the specific app you need, saving you time and effort in scrolling through listings. Now, select the official DB Navigator app on Google Play published by Deutsche Bahn. You will see a list of results that appear after your search. Look for the app with the official logo, which usually features the company name and branding clearly. Selecting the correct app ensures that you download the legitimate version, protecting you from potential security risks associated with unofficial apps. After that, tap the Install button. This button is usually green and located prominently on the app's page. Once you tap it, the download process will start. You'll see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. This step is essential because it initiates the installation of the app onto your device, allowing you to access its features once completed. Once the installation is complete, you may see an option to open the app directly from the Play Store. This makes it easy to start using DB Navigator right away. Alternatively, you can find the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. By doing this, you ensure that the app is readily available for your convenience, making it easier to access when planning your travels. Now you're ready to enjoy the features of the DB Navigator app. This app will help you find train schedules, ticket prices, and other essential travel information. It's designed to make your travel experience smoother and more efficient. Overall, following these steps will help you successfully download and install the app on your Android device, setting you up for hassle-free travel in Germany. Remember, if you encounter any issues during the download process, checking your internet connection can often resolve them. With that said, you are now equipped to navigate the app seamlessly. Enjoy your travels.